purpose of a humidifier is to take dry, stale air and recondition it into fresh, humidified air. Because of this, humidifiers are mostly used during the winter months when humidity levels are at their lowest. Humidifiers consist of several different components, but the most important component is water. Water is added to a reservoir by either a water bottle or another filling method, where it is then absorbed by the wicking filter. Once the wick is fully saturated, the fan pulls outside air into the humidifier using negative air pressure. As the air then passes through the wick, moisture is added and the newly recycled air is pushed back into the room environment. Over time, the amount of dry air in the room will decrease, and you'll begin to notice the positive effects of humidification.
Weekly cleaning is recommended to keep your Honeywell warm mist humidifier running efficiently. If you recently used the humidifier, wait 20 to 30 minutes for the unit to cool before cleaning. All maintenance should be done in the kitchen or bathroom on a water-resistant surface near a faucet. Before cleaning, turn off, unplug, remove any accessories from the humidifier, and empty the water tank. Disassemble the medicine cup by pulling it apart from the mist chimney. Next, remove the mist chimney and removable tray by gently pushing on the latch and lifting straight up. Finally, empty the base and follow these separate steps for descaling and disinfecting. Both steps are important and should be performed weekly. To descale the unit, fill the base and water tank with 1 cup of undiluted vinegar, making sure the vinegar covers the heating element. Replace the cap and gently swish the solution in the tank to make sure the vinegar wets the entire inside. Soak for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, wet a soft cloth with vinegar and wipe the medicine cup, mist chimney, and removable tray. These parts are also top rack dishwasher safe. After soaking, with a soft brush, gently scrub the heating element to remove mineral deposits. Next, empty the vinegar from the tank and reservoir and rinse all the humidifier's parts with water until the smell of vinegar is gone. To disinfect, use gloves when handling bleach. Mix a gallon of water with a teaspoon of bleach and pour the bleach solution into the base and water tank. Replace the tank cap and gently swish the solution in the tank to make sure it wets the entire inside. Soak for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, wet a soft cloth with the bleach solution and wipe the mist chimney, medicine cup, and removable tray. After soaking, empty the solution from the base and tank. Rinse each of the humidifier's parts with water until the smell of bleach is gone.
Ready to set up your new LEVOIT Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier? Let's get started. Place your humidifier on a hard, flat, and water-resistant surface. To fill the tank, start by removing the nozzle cover and taking the water tank off the base. Flip over the water tank and remove the water tank cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Fill the tank with room temperature water. We recommend purified or distilled water. After filling, replace the water tank cap. The arrow on the tank cap should align with the lock on the tank. Place the nozzle cover back on the tank. Now your humidifier is ready to use. Plug it in and tap the control button. Press it repeatedly to switch between mist settings. Blue means low mist. Orange means medium mist. And purple means high mist. If the control button is red, either the humidifier is empty or the tank is not securely on the base. If you'd like to add aroma to the mist, start by turning off the humidifier. Push the aroma box located at the back of the base and pull it out. Put 2 to 3 drops of essential oil on the aroma pad and push it back into the humidifier. Never put essential oils directly into the tank or base. If you notice your humidifier leaking, check if the silicone sealing around the water tank cap is secure. Also, make sure the arrow on the water tank cap is aligned with the lock on the tank after filling. If the mist is unusually low or not coming out at all, there may be too much water in the base. To fix this issue, take the water tank off the base and pour out all the water inside the base. Fill up the tank and place the tank back on the base. Now you're an expert at using your new humidifier. We hope you enjoy the comforting atmosphere your humidifier provides. Thank you.
With a large tank size and innovative features, it's in a league of its own. Introducing the LV600HH Hybrid Ultrasonic Humidifier, the perfect choice for any home. With the LV600HH, you can choose between two types of mist. Use cool mist to help keep your sinuses and skin hydrated, or use warm mist to humidify the air 25% faster and help kill bacteria in the water. All the humidifier's features can be controlled on the display panel or the convenient remote control. Set a timer to run your humidifier for 1 to 12 hours. That way, you can set and forget. With auto mode, the LV600HH uses an advanced sensor to track the surrounding humidity and automatically adjust the mist level. The LV600HH covers up to 753 square feet, making it powerful enough to humidify large rooms. If you want to feel refreshed, try aromatherapy. Use the humidifier's aroma box to fill your air with fragrance. Direct the mist toward you with the 360-degree mist nozzle. No matter how dry your air gets, LEVOIT's LV600HH is the perfect solution for a comfortable home.
This powerful and sleekly designed tabletop humidifier is packed with smart features, making it the ideal solution to improve the air quality in any room. Featuring a 1.5-liter tank delivering more than 150 milliliters of moisture per hour, this humidifier provides unparalleled relief from dry air and runs for up to 16 hours on a single tank. Fine-tune the exact amount of moisture you desire with a 360-degree mist nozzle, as well as high and low mist settings. For a soothing glow and maximum relaxation, turn on the optional nightlight. The humidifier couldn't be more safe and user-friendly, with automatic shutoff when the water level is low or the tank is removed. You'll sleep well knowing that the Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier is backed by Pure Enrichment's industry-leading 2-year warranty. The Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier from Pure Enrichment.
Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get more videos like this.